Welcome back to Guga Food, guys. Today, one of the most expensive, if not the most expensive, fried rice in the world. Check it out. Japanese Wagyu Miyazaki A5. It is an undescribable experience, which you can only do if you try it. When you cook in Japanese Wagyu A5, the fat renders down tremendously, and I always hated that fat was going to waste. So I had a great idea, which was to make some fried rice with it, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. For today's cook, I'm using this beautiful Japanese Miyazaki Wagyu A5 New York strip. And these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. Remember, exact amount in the description down below. We have half-inch Japanese Wagyu New York strip Miyazaki A5, minced garlic, chili oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, shallots, eggs, green onions, carrots, salted butter, and cooked jasmine rice. If you have not seen my episode on Japanese Wagyu A5 on my main channel, Sous Vide Everything, I recommend you do. On that episode, I had to cut a little bit of the fat out, and I am using that fat today. Now I'm going to be combining all these beautiful ingredients together to be making the most luxurious and expensive fried rice you've ever seen in your life. So let's do it. Angel, what do you think, buddy?
Looks expensive.
Yes, the most expensive fried rice in the world. You ready, Angel? Go for it.
I want to spill it. I knew I was going to spill it.
Woo! Woo! I don't know how to explain the flavors. Wow. I don't even need the Wagyu.
That is good.
This is unbelievable. The flavors with all that fat melted directly in here. It is fantastic, everybody. What do you think?
It's awesome.
I know you want to try the Wagyu. You're dying for the Wagyu.
Yeah.
All right, let's go for the Wagyu.
All right.
Ready? Wow, come on. Go for it. Melt in your mouth like butter.
Man, that first bite of Wagyu is always awesome. That first one, because it's so rich, it just punches you.
It is delicious. I believe using the fat from the Wagyu to cook your fried rice, it's perfect. Remember last time you ate the Wagyu, you said you're eating Wagyu rice? Today you're eating Wagyu rice, huh, Angel?
Today I'm actually eating Wagyu fried rice.
Wagyu fried rice.
That sounds cool, right? Wagyu fried rice. It tastes like a really, really juicy fried rice. I don't know, man. And then it's got like a little bit of spiciness to it. Not a lot. Very small amount of spiciness. You just kind of feel it coming in at the end. And it's awesome. And then with this,
forget
it
it.
finishes it off.
The Wagyu is fantastic, everybody.
This is like the cherry on top, pretty much.
Cherry on top. Here's the thing, if you're gonna buy Wagyu and you're going to try Wagyu, this is a fantastic way for you to use the entire piece, including the fat. Because if you can tell, it is cooked to perfection. This is a thin Wagyu, so it is perfect. That way it's cooked medium rare. You're using that fat. Guys, you have to try the Wagyu fat. I don't know how to explain it to them. It is amazing.
It's like when you bite the steak and you get that juicy feeling, like when you bite it and it's like, boom, juicy.
Yeah, it's a big explosion on your mouth.
That same thing, you have that kind of like wetness or flavor in the rice.
It's fantastic.
It's awesome.
I think if you want to try with something else, pork belly should probably very good as well, using that fat from the pork. If you don't have Wagyu available, that will work just fine. But if you have that Wagyu,
use the Wagyu.
Use the Wagyu, man. You won't regret it.
The Wagyu's the cherry on top, man.
Look, it's like butter. You don't need no knife. You don't need anything. It's fantastic. Dylan, you want to try it?
Yeah.
You do? Come on over. Dylan is behind the camera, guys. He really wants to try this Wagyu like always. Are you ready to try the Wagyu? Yeah. Come over here, buddy. I know. He's a Wagyu lover. I mean, go for it, Dylan. Give us your fair review.
Very juicy.
How do you describe it, man? You gotta say it.
It's good.
It's good, huh? You want some more?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna finish the video first. Get out of here.
That he gave you the stank eye. Oh, you gotta finish the video. Huh?
I know.
Okay.
Guys, definitely, if you're making Wagyu, don't let that fat go to waste. Put that fat to good use on a beautiful fried rice or something else, because it is worth it. Agree?
Oh, very worth it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
All right, Dylan, now you can eat it.
Yes, Dylan, now I know you've been dying for the Wagyu, my boy. And you can have some Wagyu. I'm gonna cut it real small for you, because if not, you eat all of it.
We're gonna keep you under control today.
Yeah, because if not, we won't have Wagyu left for both
They don't
of
know.
us.
They don't know. Dylan eats more steak than me most of the time. As soon as the camera cuts off, Dylan comes through and Dylan vacuum cleans the board.
Vacuum cleanser?
Vacuum cleans the board.
Here you go. One more, buddy.
Look at he bit the fork. You gonna eat the fork too? No?
We gotta go and enjoy our steaks. See you guys on the next one, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.